Hey John,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're having now operation. What kind of operation you having now?
A knee on my knee
Yes.
replacement.
You have knee problem.
Yes.
Since when?
About 3 years.
Since 3 years.
Yes. Yeah.
How did you decide to have operation?
We saw. I was here on holiday, and we saw the doctor Murat on
Dr.
TV.
Mahmut.
On TV, showing the operation he does here,
Yeah.
and it's so much better than in the UK. And
How did you decide to do this?
by looking with my friend helped me to research and check things out. We found a lot out on the internet and looked up this hospital, and the doctor here was very recommended.
You are a surgeon now. Do you have any pain now? Do you
No.
feel?
No.
You're okay?
Yes.
Very nice.